medications can be prescribed in amounts that are not convenient. A liquid may contain a certain amount of active ingredient, and the prescription might be a multiple or a fraction of that amount. So we're going to see how it works with fluids in this video. So don't forget that the formula method for calculating dosages is D desired over H, the available, times V, the volume that's available in, equals our amount. So here's our formula if you have forgotten or just need a refresher. So let's look at our first question. A doctor prescribes 50 milligrams of medication available in liquid form. The bottle says 20 milligrams per 10 milliliters. How much liquid makes up one dose? So right here, 50 milligrams is our desired. The doctor prescribes 50 milligrams. It's what's ordered. So 50 milligrams, that is D. The bottle says 20 milligrams per 10 milliliters. So we can see that 20 is the available. So 20 milligrams, and then 10 milliliters is the volume the medication is available in. So it's going to be times 10 milliliters. So it's all set up, D over H times V. And now I am going to cancel. So the milligrams cancel out, like so. And then 50 over 20 is actually going to reduce down to 5 over 2. And then we can even go another step further. 2 can cancel out with 10. 2 can go into itself once, and 2 can go into 10 5 times. And now we can just multiply. So 5 times 5 is going to be 25. Still have ml, so milliliter. And in the bottom we only have a 1. So here is our answer. How much liquid makes up one dose? 25 milliliters. An order of 35 milligrams of codeine is what's being given. 70 milligrams per milliliter for subcutaneous injection, SC injection, is available. How many milliliters do you administer? So again, we have our order, 35 milligrams. Now we're going to do our available, which is available as 70 milligrams per 1 milliliter, so times 1 milliliter. And now we simplify. Milligrams again cancel out. 35 over 70 is going to reduce down to 1 over 2. And now we're going to multiply across. So 1 over 2 times 1 milliliter is going to give us 0.5 milliliters. So how many milliliters do you administer? We administer half of a milliliter. Last, 25 milligrams of furosemide intravenously is ordered. 10 milligrams per 1 milliliter of liquid for IV injection is available. How many milliliters will you administer? So again, I see my 25 is what's ordered. So 25 milligrams. What's available is 10 milligrams per 1 milliliter. So times 1 milliliter. Now we just go through the simplifying process. Again, milligrams cancels out. 25 over 10 is going to reduce down to 5 over 2. And now we're just going to multiply across. So 5 over 2 times 1 milliliter is going to give us, and I'm going to turn it into a decimal like the previous one. This is going to be 2.5 milliliters. So how many milliliters will you administer? You will administer 2.5 milliliters.